Hi everyone, Maz from the Figaro Shop Parts Department here. Today we're going to do a bit of a product focus on turbochargers. So the Figaro was the only one of the Pike range that had the 1 litre turbocharged engine. This here is an original turbo in a massive state of disrepair, and Nissan have discontinued these, so let me show you some of the failure points on them. So you may find that when you're driving the car and it gets really hot, you'll start getting smoke from the exhaust, or you might find that the car's really sluggish, or you can't hear that turbo whistle that you're used to with the Figaro. And let me show you why. So this is the turbo unit itself. This is what's called the hot side. So this is the exhaust here. And there's a turbine within here, and this is the cold side. So air gets sucked in through this hole here, gets compressed, and then shoots out into the engine and makes it go faster. Now, what happens over time is this shaft in here, if you can just zoom in there, look, this shaft in here is connected from this side all the way to this side, okay? There are oil seals within this body here, and if you can see on this one, I don't know if you can zoom in on that, you can see how wet that is with oil. So the oil seals on this one have worn out, and it's now, as oil comes within the turbo to lubricate it, it's now leaking and going into the exhaust. This one actually spins quite freely, so this one would have been still performed okay, but this would have been really smoky. Now, take my gloves off. What we have now been able to manufacture is a complete replacement turbo kit with a couple of improvements. So this is the kit you'll get. You get new gaskets here and all new studs and nuts for the turbo. The main unit itself, so this is our turbo, which is a direct replacement for that unit there. And as you can see, this isn't remanufactured, this is all new, ready to go. And we've made improvements with our water return hose. We now include a silicone hose, so that should be fit and forget. And one of the major failures of the Figaro system is the oil supply line. So this feeds oil from the back of the engine into the turbo unit itself. Now, on the original, this is a solid steel pipe, which is quite small, and over time, carbon will build inside the pipe and restrict the amount of oil that goes to the turbo, which causes it to seize. So we now include a stainless steel, braided, this is Teflon internal, flexible line, which won't carbon up. Like I said, this is a direct fit, nothing to modify. These are available on our website at www.thenissanfigaroshop.co.uk. Thank you very much.